Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 4th of August. Starting with gold this morning. We have quite an interesting pattern since the peak came in around 1370. We have a clear ABC A wave, clear ABC B wave. Now we've got what looks like firstly 5 waves down to there as wave 1 of C, wave 2 of C, wave 3 of C, wave 4 of C, and another 5 waves down to around 12,003, which could be wave 5 of C. So I'm now waiting for some confirmation that this is an important low, which will come with the subsequent action from that low. So let's have a look at the shorter term action. Alright, down to the 5-minute chart from the low at around 12.3, 12.4. You can count 5 here. It's a very short term action. I don't get too excited by this just yet, but that could be a 1, 2, followed by a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a 4 and a 5. So it's possibly impulsive, but a little bit early to get too excited about it. This may not be over yet. It could be an ABC, so we could see a bit more downside. But looking to go long, if we see something that is encouraging. Stops below 12.04. I like a 10-point stop on gold. £10 a point, 10-point stop. Nice, simple £100 risk for potentially much bigger rewards as the market goes up. But I think there's certainly a case that the low is in. Well, we'll follow this up with Bitcoin. We also have a case that the low is in. I can get the arrows working. Right, so the low down here is going. Oh, I see. Okay, low down here. Wave 1, wave 2. Now it's possible that wave 3 goes to here. That does subdivide quite nicely with a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all 3 up to there. Followed by a 4 and a 5. That then gives us an A, B, C fourth wave, and then a final fifth wave. This is a fourth wave here. It's a bit subnormal compared to the 2 wave. I don't like the form that much, but it does count. So this could be the top of wave 5. This could be an A, 3-part A wave, B, and then a C. Not sure the C is actually over yet, so this is indeterminate. We need a decent thrust up really to confirm this pattern. The alternative count is, I think, looks a little bit prettier, and that is that we have simply a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. It's just unfortunately a little bit long in the tooth. It really needs to end quite soon, but we could just see a fifth wave up. What I don't want to see, obviously, is a breakdown below 6.8. That would negate the pattern. But as long as that doesn't happen, this looks pretty encouraging. Right, FTSE is our object lesson in the summer doldrums, just going sideways really. Just see some action during the week, fell back quite sharply. Looks like an ABC though, and this counts as a 5, so it may be just going back up again, back in the range anyway. So it's again not doing much. Right, the Dow had a pretty good move. This section here was pretty good for 6633, but it's still an A, B, C with an ABC B wave, and then there's decline. So it still looks pretty corrective, although the subsequent action is inconclusive at this point. So not a huge amount to go on there. Alright, finally the Dow, which again has just been bouncing around really. We had an A, B, C. Now we've bounced back again, back in the range. So I think really the summer doldrums continue. There is a case maybe that we might be going down, but I think it's pretty weak right now. And I think the action is mainly on gold and Bitcoin at the moment. The altcoins actually are suffering badly, really. Bitcoin is leading the way. Just needs to break that resistance really to give us a stronger signal. That's all for today. I found it useful. Back to the report on Tuesday morning for subscribers, assuming something's happening. I may, as I have a break otherwise. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.